Hi, this is a video on how to navigate the YMCA app on an Android phone or tablet. This video is produced by Generation Connection. We provide free technology help through videos, seminars, and one-on-ones, including ones at the YMCA. If you want to learn more, visit genconnection.org and stay tuned for updates. There are a few different sections to this video. If you want to jump ahead to one part or another, you can use the timestamps on the screen now. Otherwise, you can watch the entire video. Our first step is to download the app. To do this, we first need to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the search bar and type in Daxco. After you've located the Daxco app, click Install. The app will then download and install. After it is installed, you can click Open to use the app. After you've opened the app, you'll want to add your YMCA. In the search bar, type in Gahanna or the name of your YMCA location and select YMCA of Central Ohio. Next, you can optionally allow the app to use your location to automatically select the location that is closest to you. You can do this by clicking Allow when prompted. Regardless, you'll reach the home screen of the YMCA app. Posted here are announcements and news from the YMCA. If you want to switch your location, you can click the text at the very top of the screen. This is a drop-down menu where you can select a new location. You can also view the YMCA's hours. Click the line of words below YMCA of Central Ohio to see the hours that your YMCA is open. In addition to the hours, you can also access the contact information for the YMCA, including a phone number and an email address here. Next, we'll want to find classes. To do this, first you're going to need to click the icon next to the house. This is where you can schedule classes. At the top of the screen is a scroll bar where you can select the date for classes. You can scroll from left to right to access different weeks. Below the scroll bar is a list of different filters, including area, type, time, class, and instructor. Select one of the drop-down menus, for example, the one labeled area, to select different locations inside the YMCA for classes. You can select more than one area at once. You can do the same for types, times, classes, and finally, instructors. Once you've picked a class, you'll want to register for it. Events or classes that are still available are green and say X spots available. Note that classes open for registration 72 hours before they start. Even if a class says that it has spots left, you may not be able to sign up for it because you are too far away from the date of the class. After you've picked an event, you'll want to click on it to view the details and register. To save your spot, click Register at the bottom of the screen. You'll be redirected to your web browser. First, you'll need to enter in your email address and password in order to log in. After you log in, you'll need to click Reserve a Spot. Note that you will receive an email after you reserve a spot. You can use that email to cancel. Alternatively, you can cancel from the same screen that you reserved your spot from. If you do not have an account, click Create a Login. Enter in your information, click Register. After that, you can log in and follow the same process as before. If you've forgotten your password, then click on the Forgot Password tab. Enter in the email address you used when you first signed up for your YMCA account, then check for an email with a link to set a new password. After signing up for the class, you'll need to return to the YMCA app. After you do, you can add the event to your calendar by clicking Add to Calendar. First, you'll want to allow the app to use the calendar by clicking on whichever calendar app you use. Then click Save to save it to whichever calendar you've chosen. Events that are currently full have a waitlist that is blue and says Waitlist Only. You can put your name on the waitlist, and if somebody else cancels, you will be able to take their spot. The process to join the waitlist is similar to that of reserving a spot. You'll need to click on the class and then click Join Waitlist. Once again, you'll need to log in. If all regular and waitlist spots are full for a class, it will be shown in red and will not be available to join at all. Congratulations, you've learned how to schedule classes. There are a few more sections to the YMCA app which we will briefly cover. First are the paid programs, which is the middle icon. Depending on your YMCA, there may or may not be programs offered. If there are, select which program you want to sign up for. Then select the date and time for which you would like to sign up. After you select both of those, you can now click Register. Please pay attention to the price, as programs are paid. You will have to log in with your YMCA account. You can also add your YMCA memberships to the app. Click Cards at the bottom of the screen. Then click Add New Card. Enter in your name and then either scan the card with your camera or type it in with the barcode number. After you do, click Save. Having your cards here allows you to eliminate the need to carry a physical card when checking into the YMCA. Finally, the last icon is labeled More. This icon contains settings and a few more options, which we'll go over. First is Messages, which is where you'll receive some short messages from the YMCA or their instructors. Next is Locations, which allows you to change the YMCA location that you are currently at. Finally, there are Announcements. This allows you to view announcements from the YMCA. Congratulations! You've learned how to navigate the YMCA app. Keep practicing to make sure that you remember and master it. If you haven't already, watch our video on how to sign up for classes on a PC or Mac. Thank you for watching this video. Visit genconnection.org for videos, seminars, and one-on-ones like this, including the ones that we hold at the YMCA. Stay tuned.